Channel is Rajasthan Tourism Series and I have some top tourist place to visit in Bikaner, Rajasthan. Number 1, Junagadh Fort. Junagadh Fort is worth visiting if you are already in Bikaner and looking for some to explore. Take time and explore. Audio guide is also available at counter. You can see half of the property. Still, it's amazing to explore history of our Maharaja. Open time 10 a.m. Last entry 4:30 p.m. Go early if you want to explore well. Number 2, Shet Bandasha Jain Temple. One of the most fascinating aspects of the temple is its construction, situated at Bikaner. Unlike traditional temples built with water, the Seth Bandasar Jain temple was constructed using clarified butter, that is ghee, as the primary binding agent. This unusual method has resulted in a structure that exudes a unique charm and has stood the test of time. Temple's walls are adorned with exquisite carvings and vibrant paintings depicting scenes from Jain mythology and religious practices. Number 3, ICAR National Research Center on Camel. Asia's only research center on camel. You can able to see variety of camels here. Must try the camel milk products like milk, lassi, kulfi, which are very rare for us. In Camel Museum, you will know all about camel history, their uses and all. You can enjoy here the camel ride as well. The place is little bit outside from the city, but try to visit this place. You will never disappoint for sure. Number 4, Rampuria Haveli. If you wanted to get feelings like European street, then you can visit Rampuria Haveli. Rampuria Haveli is really beautiful and incredible structure which is show the royal and rich culture of Bikaner city. This is so beautiful and so beautifully carved. Truly incredible, but unfortunately there is no ticket option or there is no way to feel or see inner beauty of Rampuria Haveli of Bikaner. I fully recommend you to visit there to see these amazing beauties. Number 5, Junagadh Palace and Museum, Bikaner. The Junagadh Palace is constructed with wonderfully carved red sandstone, marble panels, exquisite paintings and mirrors. Different architectural styles have been used. Well-preserved exhibits like swords, shields, guns, pistols, crockery, dresses and other things used at that time. What brought displeasure was that the outside area of the fort is not clean and properly maintained. Number 6, Prachin Museum. Prachin Museum is located inside Junagadh Fort of Bikaner. The place is historical marvel. The beauty of architecture will sure leave mesmerized. The place tells the story of king and kingdom of Bikaner. This fort cum palace is now turned into a museum to showcase the life of previous king who ruled here. So guys, these were the top tourism place to visit in Bikaner. I hope you like the video. If you like it, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.